Rotary printing holds a significant position in fabric printing due to its high efficiency. It stands out for its capability to print up to 20,000 meters of fabric per day on each production line. However, it does have its limitations, typically maxing out at 12 colors for pattern. This printing method combines rapid production with a reasonable range of color options, making it a popular choice in the textile industry for large-scale fabric printing projects. Everything begins with the transportation of greige cloth to the production workshop. This process, known as releasing the greige, prepares the raw material for the upcoming stages of production. Inside the workshop, the greige cloth is unrolled and stitched together, roll by roll. This method is not only convenient, but also allows the fabric to be efficiently fed into production equipment in one go. Next is the pre-treatment stage of the greige cloth, crucial for the transformation. Here, the cloth becomes half-bleached fabric, with surface impurities removed. This purification lays the foundation for subsequent dyeing and printing. After pre-treatment, the fabric is washed and dried, becoming suitable for further processing. The opening of the fabric is a key step in preparing for dyeing and printing. Then, the half-bleached fabric is fed into rotary screen printing machines for pattern application. Rotary screen printing is an efficient technique ideal for mass production. After printing, the fabric undergoes washing to remove excess dye, ensuring the clarity of prints and stability of colors. The fabric is then dried and opened again. The final stage is the finishing process. Here, the fabric is treated with softeners to enhance comfort. Additionally, the shrinkage rate and width are adjusted to meet the final product standards. Once the entire production process is complete, the finished fabric undergoes careful inspection and packaging, ready to be sent to consumers worldwide. Each roll of finished fabric represents the essence of textile craftsmanship and technology. From greige cloth to finished product, every step reflects the precision and innovation of the textile industry.